Vypočujte si vetu a upravte ju podľa uvedeného vzoru.
I wanted to go there on Sunday.
Did Peter want to go there too?
We moved to another apartment.
Did Peter move to another apartment too?
I visited England last year.
Did Peter visit England too?
We played hockey yesterday.
Did Peter play hockey too?
Mary liked this film.
Did Peter like it too?
We worked on this project for several weeks.
Did Peter work on this project too?
I created many websites.
Did Peter create many websites too?
We discovered new information about this technology.
Did Peter discover new information about it too?
Preklad zo slovenčiny do angličtiny. Povedzte po anglicky.
Presťahovali sme sa do iného bytu. Presťahoval sa aj Peter do iného bytu?
We moved to another apartment.
Did Peter move to another apartment too?
Povedzte po anglicky.
Včera sme hrali hokej. Hral aj Peter hokej?
We played hockey yesterday.
Did Peter play hockey too?
Povedzte po anglicky.
Vytvoril som veľa webových stránok. Vytvoril aj Peter veľa webových stránok?
I created many websites.
Did Peter create many websites too?